All right, y'all, let's get ready to make some pumpkin seed milk. All right, so we're going to drain out the pumpkin seeds that we got in the mason jar. Tap, tap, let's get it. Then we come in with a little water bottle. We're going to add that water in there to just, get it, cleaned up a little bit, Then we're going to shake that out. Yeah, now it's time to pour in the blender cup, the ninja cup, whatever you want to call it, We're going to get all the seeds up in there so we get all that, what we need. And pumpkin seeds got a lot of benefits too, y'all. Magnesium, potassium. And we're going to hit, now we're coming in with the coconut water. Yeah, get the coconut water in. Then I add a little water in because I ran out my coconut water. I've been drinking my little coconut water. So we're going to add in some regular water. Yeah, spring water. Then we come in with a little pinch of salt. Get just a little bit, I add probably a little bit too much, but it really don't matter. We're going to get all that in. All right, now we got the dates. Now we're going to take out the seed of the dates. We don't want to do the seed. Or you could do the seed if you want to, but I ain't going to do the seed in this one. So, yeah, we're going to do 2 dates and get the dates in for the sweetener, Instead of me adding anything else, I'm going to do dates this time. Now, after the dates, now we're coming in with the vanilla extract. So now I do about 2, you know what I'm saying? I do about 2 of them. So, hey, do what you want to do, you know what I'm saying? Hey, I do a little 2 of them, boom, hit it with that dab, one more dab. All right, right now, it's time for a little agave, just a little extra little sweetness, you know what I'm saying? I like my milk kind of a little sweet. So we're going to add that agave in there, then bam, we finna go ahead and blend it up, yeah. Don't twist it, bam. Now it's cutting up all the seeds, doing this thing for me. You know how I like it. And I let it sit on there for probably about 30 seconds. Really, I had to cut some of the video because I just let that thing cut because, I want it right. So now look at it, it's all creaming and just the way you want it. And now it's time to drain. Come on. All right, now it's time to drain. Get your little nut bag. I bought mine from, I forgot his name, but shout out to him. And, we're going to drain. We're finna go ahead and squeeze everything out. This the best nut bag in the game right now. I love this nut bag, man. And I'm going to squeeze all that out. Y'all see the crystals and everything. Yeah. Well, we're going to go and squeeze all that milk out. That's milk right here, y'all, from the seed. Pumpkin seed, this the best milk. This is the best milk out of any other nut seed I ever had. This milk really works and do everything it needs for you. So, and I wanted to make this, so we're going to squeeze all that milk out. It's pumpkin seed milk, not from no animals, not none of that. This homemade. So, yeah, we get all that out. And we just going to drain it out. And, yeah, then we finna get ready to pour it in. A little glass little thing I got. I don't know what to call it, but it got a name, But, hey, we're going to get ready to pour that in this right here. So, get your little glass, whatever. So, get your little glass. All right, come on now, let's pour it in. Now we finna pour it in. Get all that in there. I ain't missed no drop. All of it went right in there. Perfect. We gotta pour all that in there right now. Let it go in. All right, we almost done. All right, let's go. Let's get to the next thing. Now we done with it. Really, that's it, y'all. You know what I'm saying? We really done. Yeah, look at that. Me. Yeah. Hey, let's get it. I'm going to catch y'all on this video.